Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 20th to 26th of July, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. All right. So for those who are new to my channel, this is the general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. All right, so let's start with your reading now. For my Leos, 20th to 26th of July. For my Leos, please, my tarot angels. Yes, so it's ready now. All right, so, okay. All right, so, okay, so a lot of no contact in your reading there is. Your overall energy, the core uh, reason of the reading is 10 of Pentacles crossed over by the 4 of Cups. So, which I feel over here, what I feel is actually there is some kind of issue going on in your family. Might be your family, or it can be your parents, or you might be the parents. And for some people it's like with your partner, there is some kind of issues which are going on. And someone was not good, someone actually showed the trickiness, someone was being sneaky, I can see over here, because the energies are not good of the other people. And I can see that there are some kind of complaints for you from their side, that you might be a very immature kind of a person. So the people around you, they might be telling you that from a long time, and they were like, so you cannot do anything of your own, and all these kind of things, rejections, and not accepting you as you. So have actually, you are going through some process over here, which I can see. Yeah, there is some kind of an ending. So 10 of Pentacles clarified by 10 of Swords and 6 of Wands. So I feel that there is some kind of an ending over here with the 10 of Swords, with family. Might be some kind of family issues also, they might be ending, and you are taking a path of victory. But there is someone over here which I feel, who actually, there might be two people in your family. So one is gaining more, and just a second, and the other person might be gaining less, money wise. So the other person who is bringing more amount of money at home, so there is some kind of competition with that person, some kind of arguments. That person is a little more um egoistic, a kind of ego is there, a kind of attention seeking with that person. Yeah, so there was something, there was a communication, there was a little argument, I can see. So, Four of Cups clarified by Two of Swords and Ace of Swords. So, there is some communication coming towards you which was not good. You were talking to this person, you were having a normal conversation, and all of a sudden, there were some kind of argument. Might be the ego is a problem over here, because with the Six of Wands I can feel that there is some kind of attention seeking. The other person is gaining more attention than you, and you at the same time, you are being told by people, by your family, that you are good for nothing, you are bringing nothing to the family. So that kind of stuff might be, if they are not speaking, they are making you feel like that. So you are, at some point, you are feeling, um, you know uh, left out in the cold, and because your past energies are like that, and you are moving towards seven of swords in your future energies, which is more of a sneakiness, where you are like, I should move from this place. You are not in a good mode, I am seeing over here. Let's clarify. So your subconscious energy is the hermit and death with the ace of pentacles. So you are ending your not ending, basically this is some kind of transformation. Subconsciously you are thinking about your benefit. You know that that whatever is there, if people are not accepting me, but I know I can do stuff, I can bring money, I can, if I'm not bringing money, at least I can bring stability to the family. I am this much mature, but the people you are dealing with, they are not feeling, they are not thinking about you like that way. And your conscious energy is king of wands clarified by six of swords and queen of swords. So consciously you are also not showing the other people that you are also a little harsh for some of them only, because you know your value, you know your place, you know your worth, and you are feeling that I should leave this place. It's much better to leave, to go away from this place, to go to a calmer water, to go to a place where you can, just go away from all this chaos, and you can just start something new for yourself. So that is what you are feeling, and you have decided that thing with the queen of swords. I can tell you that you have something in your mind. You are very clear, and with the king of wands, it's like you know what to do. You can be a businessman. I can see that you are someone who is very much a very good businessman, can be a very much that person who is more passionate, who knows what he or she is doing. You know your work, you know your worth. Okay, so you know everything, whatever you are dealing with, you know that if problems are coming, you know how to deal with them. That's really good. Okay, so let's see. So the five of coins, yes, the king of pentacles and the moon. So five of pentacles is clarified by king of pentacles and the moon card. So so people around you, I really feel that it's you who actually felt that I am for some of you, for only a less percentage of you, it is a very big indication that you were the one who actually brought a lot to the family, who has given a lot to the family, to a lot to the relationship as well. I would say this is not only about any family issue, this is your relationship issue as well. Your better half, which you actually felt that the person with whom you were dealing, he or she was like, you have given your everything to that person, and that person was hiding something. Might be they have applied for a new job and they got that job, but they didn't tell you. And then when they got that job, when they got that opportunity, they told you, and they actually made you feel that you are useless. So there was some kind of bad energy which I'm actually experiencing. I can feel those energies over here. So that is what you were like, it's better, I have given everything, it's better to be alone now. It's a lot, I have given a lot. So I can yeah, so your future energies are, yes, so you are moving from this chaos. I can feel in your future with the, see, you are sneaking out. I can see over here, this is not the other person, this is you who is actually sneaking out for a new opportunity, and you are very happy, you are enthusiastic in for this new beginning. um, this might be a new love relationship, but for some people it's more of a new opportunity in your career, in your business, in something which make you feel full, which will make you feel happy. So you are entering that kind of a zone finally, because you have already seen a lot of no contact, a lot of leaving, feeling of being left out in the cold, feeling of uh, separation. You have had that thing, you have everything. you just you were in a healing period for some time and you have healed, and now you are ready to explore something new. Okay, so let's see what are more of your energies. Wow. Page of Wands clarified by Queen of Wands with Two of Pentacles. So there is still a confusion with the Page of Wands and the Queen of Wands coming with the Two of Pentacles. It's like you might be juggling in some kind of business, in some kind of thoughts. There are more thoughts coming towards you, like whether I should go towards my thing, or whether I should just sit over here and wait for my offer letter. So this is something very tricky. So this is the thing with Page of Wands and Queen of Wands. It's like Queen of Wands, she is the talk of the town. She is someone, this is you, by the way, because Queen of Wands is Leo energy. So she is like uh, a little of a bad lady, boss lady, basically. So that is what a Leo, Queen of Wands is. She is the boss lady. She knows how to make everything happen. She has everything in her mind. So this is you. And but you are a little confused. There's a little confusion whether to just go being the bitchy girl, sorry for my harsh words, but whether to be that person or be a little more, you know, I should learn more new stuff and then I should go. So you are there's a confusion between two things. Two opportunities are there in between, in front of you, and you are like, I should go towards that thing in which I am already the master, or whether I should learn new stuff and then I should become the master in that thing. And you have interest in both of the things. So I can feel that. So the people around you, not good. Five of Swords with the Page of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so here's the thing with this card. Page of Swords, not good. Five of Swords, not good. So Queen of Pentacles is all about money. So people around you, they are not good for you. They are talking about you. They are gossiping. They are, might be stalking you. For some of you, the people who just left you, and they are stalking you because you are making money. They are seeing you as, sorry for that. It's my mic. Okay, so people are actually, seeing you as the Queen of Pentacles now, because you are bringing money finally. So they are looking towards you only for money. So there is no love. I don't see it over here. There is a lot and lot of deception kind of a feeling, where you are just game for them. You are just a piggy bank for them. That is what you are. ATM. Yes, this is what it is. Yeah, the guidance is telling you. The guidance is the universe messages. Okay, so with the universe is the card is the devil, clarified by Eight of Swords and the Ten of Cups. So this means, see, you love your family. This is actually shown, but whosoever with whom you are dealing with, they are not good with you. Okay, so they just want money. They don't want anything. When you will be out of money, they will leave you. When you will have the money, they will come again. So this is kind of an energy which is coming and going from you again and again. So this is something which is the guidance the universe is telling you. My angels are telling you that, if you are feeling restricted, if there is some kind of a fear in your head, if you are fearing something, you are feeling that there is negative energy. So whether it's your family, whether it's anyone with whom you are feeling that kind of energy, it's better to just make yourself free. This is what universe is telling you. I'm not saying anything. Okay, so the cards are saying that this is just an illusion. You are feeling very afraid. You are somewhere where I don't know what to do, but the universe is telling you that just do one thing, just get yourself free now, then we'll see what you should do. Okay, so did you get it? Yeah. So your outcome is Two of Swords. So a lot of confusion, sadness. All right. So Two of Swords clarified by Five of Cups and the High Priestess. All right. So, what these cards are telling us? So, this is about that, with the Two of Swords, it's like a confusion. There is a lot of confusion in your side whether what to do, because I told you there was confusion with Two of Pentacles as well over here. So, you are confused because you are sad. You are somewhere in your mind, you are feeling uh, like I lost something, a part of me is missing. You might be missing the person, you might be missing a job, there is something which you wished to do but you couldn't do that thing. So there is some kind of sadness. See how this person is looking towards these three cups which are already spilled, but he is not able to look these two cups which are there in front of him. I don't know what is happening. Okay, but he is not able to see the other two cups which are just behind him, and they are full, they are full actually, but he is crying for the spilt milk. Yeah, no. So the High Priestess with this is telling you the outcome will be fine. You might be waiting for this new thing from a long time, but you are thinking that how to do this, how to, when the happiness will come towards me, when will that time will come towards me. So finally you have to understand that the time, whatever this time will be, whatever, whenever it will come towards you, it will be the divine timing. You do not have to wait for this new thing. Okay, so stop waiting, do your work, and it will come towards you. With the High Priestess is all about um, the divine timing. It's like you should know you will get towards that thing, but at the time, the exact time when you actually need to know some stuff. All right, so do not wait for the perfect timing, it will come towards you by its own. All right, so that's all from my side, my Leos. I hope you liked the reading, and if you really liked it, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.